Everyone's talking about DeepSeek, the new AI tool that's stepping up as a competitor to ChatGPT. But here's the big question: which one is actually better? That's exactly what we're going to find out in this video.
Come on, we all know ChatGPT is the best.
Nah, I tried DeepSeek, and honestly, it's better than ChatGPT.
I don't know, guys. I'm still not sure about either of them.
Alright, let's throw this question to ChatGPT first and see what it says. While we're asking ChatGPT about this, take a second and hit that subscribe button. Join our awesome community and stay updated with the latest AI battles, tech tips, and more. So, we asked ChatGPT the big question: which AI is better, you or DeepSeek? ChatGPT played it safe. It said it can only talk about its own capabilities and didn't say anything bad about DeepSeek. Instead, it acknowledged that DeepSeek has its own strengths and focus areas. Honestly, that sounds pretty fair. ChatGPT is keeping it professional. But now, let's flip the script and ask DeepSeek the same question. So, DeepSeek started off by introducing itself and even suggested that we check out its documentation. But when we asked the same big question, which AI is better, DeepSeek took a similar approach. It described both its own strengths and ChatGPT's, emphasizing that both AIs are here to help users. Honestly, that sounds fair too. At this point, I feel like ChatGPT and DeepSeek are just AI besties. But now, let's move on to the real test. We're asking both AI tools to design an infographic about the dropshipping business model. Let's see which one creates the best design. Alright, first up, let's see what ChatGPT can do. We're asking ChatGPT to create an infographic explaining the dropshipping business model. Let's check out how it designs the image for us. Will it be detailed and visually appealing? Let's find out. Here are the results. As you can see, this is not a well-designed image. The text is poorly formatted and not visually appealing. You wouldn't want to use this on your social media. However, if you ask ChatGPT to explain the dropshipping business model, it will provide a detailed and in-depth explanation. Now, let's ask DeepSeek to generate an image of the dropshipping business model to see if it's visually appealing enough for our social media. And while we're waiting, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You won't find content like this anywhere else. DeepSeek isn't currently capable of generating images. However, this AI tool did explain how we can create an illustration of the dropshipping business model by outlining the key points in detail. On the other hand, ChatGPT can generate images, so it earns a point for that. Now, it's time for the second task. In this challenge, we'll ask both tools to generate a Python script for a snake game. Let's start by asking ChatGPT to create the script and see if it can actually do it. ChatGPT generated 2 responses, and I'll go with the second one since it's more detailed and includes all the necessary instructions. Let me quickly copy and paste the script to show you the Python game developed by ChatGPT. Alright, here's the Python game created by ChatGPT. You can control the snake using the arrow keys on your keyboard. As the snake eats the dots, it grows bigger, and once the game is over, it automatically closes. Now, if we wanted an even better version, we could refine the code by giving ChatGPT a more detailed prompt. But for this test, ChatGPT did a pretty solid job. Now, it's DeepSeek's turn to generate a Python script for the snake game. We'll use the exact same prompt we gave to ChatGPT and see what kind of results it provides. As you can see, DeepSeek has provided us with a complete Python script for the snake game. To save you some time, I'll quickly copy and paste this code into the editor so we can test the game in action. Here we go. We've got an improved version of the snake game, now featuring a score counter and the ability to restart the game by pressing C on your keyboard. DeepSeek did a great job with this. And to be fair, we could achieve the same results with ChatGPT by refining our prompt. So, both AI tools earn a point for this one. Now, it's time for the final round. We'll upload the same image to both AI tools and see how they describe it. The image we're using is a picture of a cat. Let's start by asking ChatGPT to describe it. ChatGPT nailed it. It not only described the image perfectly but also gave details about the cat's color, its actions, the surface it's sitting on, and even the background. Pretty impressive. Plus, we can take a screenshot of anything and ask ChatGPT to describe it just as accurately. Now, it's DeepSeek's turn. I'll upload the same image and use the exact same prompt we gave to ChatGPT to see how DeepSeek responds. Alright, so as of now, DeepSeek isn't capable of describing images, but it can extract text from them. Maybe this is still a work in progress, and in the future, its developers will improve it to analyze images just like ChatGPT. So, for this round, the winner is ChatGPT. That brings our final score to ChatGPT with 3 points and DeepSeek with only 1 point. At the end of the day, both tools have their own strengths and focus areas, so I highly recommend trying them out for yourself to see which one works best for your needs. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more awesome AI content. Let me know in the comments which AI tool you prefer and what other tests you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.